we going?
Yeah.
I'm not ready.
Is the lighting okay? Is the lighting good? Do I look like shit?
Yeah.
Alright, what are we talking about here? Are you filming? Oh shit! Fuck me. I've been here for the past 2.5 years, and it's been the most remarkable time I've ever had, ever. They teach like so organically, and it's like so... Fuck all of you! Like, so like, without hurting, you know, your soul. Like they don't criticize you. They like, you know, they really help you become a better actor without being like, that sucked. So and they care. They care. Everyone cares here, and that's what really like, you know, makes this feel like a second home to me.
The Vera Group is an amazing place.
Yeah.
It made me become a much more confident actor than I've ever felt before. And it's a great community of people that I just feel happy coming here every week.
I mean, I think what the Vera Group gave me over anything is a lot of other techniques and methodologies to teach you how to access this or approach this or look at the script this way, but I never felt more comfortable as an actor on stage knowing myself as I have with this approach. I don't have to worry.
It taught me how to work really well with directors, whereas like other programs like just kind of focus on the acting, but I feel like the way that they teach you is as if a director was directing you, so it kind of teaches you. So I feel so comfortable working with directors on set or on stage now.
Many things, including the meaning of story. Loved it.
Did you say your name's Chris Thompson?
I did. Say hey, hey, hey. This is, you want to know the part I love best about it? Right here, John Bradford, ladies and gentlemen. Jeremy Carlson, behind you there.
Have you met Jeremy Carlson?
Have you met Jeremy Carlson? It's possible to meet Jeremy and not actually know. The man of mystery.
I would say what I'm taking away from the Vera Group is a change in perspective. Absorbing the encouragement and the lessons and the friendships really kind of transformed the way I look at acting, life, and Asian Americans like Judy, and weird people like Maddie.
Hi, I'm Hillary.
And I'm Maddie.
Yes. We met.
They made that up.
See, look how good of actresses we are. That's what we learned from Vera. I'm actually Maddie. You didn't know that. That's how good you are.
The Vera Group has changed my accent because this is what I really sound like when I like before the Vera Group. This is all I talked like. You know, it's a little embarrassing, so I don't like. They don't really want to get into it, but that's why I really need to thank the Vera Group for everything that they have done.
Get my hand done.
Thank you. Everything that I have learned from the Vera Group. I mean, this is my first time at the rodeo, and from where I started last September to where I've come now is like, I never thought that I would actually be here, and it's Seth and Lee, but it's everyone here, so it's been the most unbelievable experience I've ever had.
The Vera Group has changed me completely as an actress, and that was Sarah Burping. And I actually didn't book anything based on my acting before I came to the Vera Group, so that's exciting. And the way they teach is amazing. I know.
Hello, I'm an agent. You are now cast in a Broadway show. Come with me. Vera Group is great.
He's such an asshole.
If I had to say one thing, I think that is reminiscent of Taylor's piece is that I feel like one person is made up by a lot of people. And I met a lot of people who make up who I am now, and Taylor's definitely one of them, and I haven't gotten her without the Vera Group.
Yeah. You should also turn the
I don't think I can really say anything because I think nothing that I say is going to really do justice to how I really feel.
I've learned so much personally and professionally.
I can legally everywhere now.
Keep reaching and getting better and better.
I was cleaning up as I
and I really appreciate you guys, Lee and Seth. And I just hope that I have
Hey Maddie, you know
a small percentage of what you know. Thank you.
What I like most about the Vera Group is this family. We've been in this for a year and a half. We've all grown pretty close. It's a culmination of everything. And I couldn't have spent the last year and a half with better people than the people that are in this room.
Hey Lee and Seth, thank you guys so much for teaching us whatever we know now. I think about a year ago, or a year and a half ago, I knew nothing about acting, and it wasn't until I came to the Barrow Group where I really got serious and actually fell in love with acting. And I think this is just the beginning. Oh wait, Seth, I'm actually taking classes with you in January, so I'll see you then.
Watch out for Seth and
Oh!
They're terrifying.
Yes.